everyone, you're welcome to class once again. I am Mr. Joseph James and you're welcome to literature class. Today we shall be looking at the topic Summary Analysis of the Schoolboy by William Blake. I believe you have been enjoying all your lessons on poetry. So today we shall be looking at another interesting poem by William Blake titled The Schoolboy. What are our objectives for this lesson? By the end of this lesson, you should be able to write out the significance of the title. If you have been taking notes, you will notice that in every of my poem, I always draw your attention to the title. To understand every poem, you have to start from the title. Write out the significance of the title, write a well-analyzed summary on the poem, explore the themes in the poem and their applications to real-life context. Literature is a reflection of life. So every literature that you cannot somehow connect with life happenings cannot be really termed as a perfect literature. All right, let's look at the summary of this poem, The Schoolboy. The poem is written from the perspective of a child who believes that school impacts him negatively. Quite strange, right? He believes that school is not helpful. To this child, school drives all joy away. Also, he believes that teachers have cruel eyes. Of course, what he's saying is that I have cruel eyes. And this child believes that children spend their day in school in sighing and dismay. What is he trying to say? Schooling is very boring. He drooping sits. He always feels dizzy when he is in school. That means he does not find schooling interesting. Now, learning in school is like a dreary shower. What you teach in school, according to this child, is like a dreary shower. It's very boring. Now, school is a prison, according to this child. He is a bird born for joy, but in school he sits in the cage. So the boy sees himself as someone put in cage whenever he is in school. This child will prefer to be in the woods in the morning to listen to the birds sing. Now you can see what this child wants. This child does not want to be in the four walls of a school. The child is yearning for freedom. And where does he want to learn? He wants to learn in the woods, from nature, where he can listen to birds singing. Listen to the distant horseman winds his horn. Watch the skylark, the bird, sing. Now, you begin to wonder the persona, the traits of this child. Lastly, the persona pleads to his father and mother not to force him to school because his childhood is like birds nipped by schooling. So according to this persona, going to school takes away the life of childhood from him. So clearly you can see that this child does not like schooling. He likes to be free. But I have a question for you. Do you think everything this child said about schooling is true? That will be left for you to answer. Now let us quickly explore some of the themes in this poem. One of the themes in this poem is nature and its pleasant education. Nature and its pleasant. Remember, the child wants to learn from nature. He wants to listen to the distant huntsman, and of course, he wants to hear the bird skylark sing. Also, another thing is the compulsion in formal education. You can see that this child is not interested in schooling. The reason why he is in school is because he's being compelled to be in school by his parents. You also see the thing of parental and teachers' control. The child is not free. He sees himself being controlled by his parents and by teachers. And finally, you see desire for an alternative method of education. So is William Blake trying to say that the system we have right now should be put aside and we should allow ourselves to be taught by nature? How possible, realistic will that be? I will leave that for you as a question to answer. Thank you very much. We are going to be stopping here for now. I will send you some materials that will help you understand the point better. And of course, I expect you to do the task. Have a great day and God bless you.